IEBC. Hamjamboni.
Now understand that some people are pushing for the reconstitution of the IEBC through an IEBC selection panel that is now for all intents and purposes moribund. And our point is this, in summary really, any attempt to reconstitute the IEBC outside the framework that has been established by NADCO will be totally resisted. And if they go ahead and reconstitute the IEBC outside the NADCO framework, then that will only be an IEBC for Kenya Kwanza. If you proceed to reconstitute the IEBC outside NADCO, that will be the end of NADCO and anything else to do with it.
How would you want a good IEBC if you know an IEBC that works according to your script can make you win an election? Ruto knows that he will not win the next election. So he will not form an IEBC in another image. He will form an IEBC in his image. And that's why he wants even Chebukati to be the Chief Justice of Kenya. He wants a court in his image. In the Commission for Revenue Allocation, which determines how much money comes to the counties and how much money goes to the national government, Mrs. Chebukati is the commissioner. I mean, it has escaped us.
Riri wa uhuri wa biashara Mbunge-ini ya